Following segment is sponsored by the National Ataxia Foundation. For families with rare genetic diseases, inheritance can carry heavy meaning. Spinocerebellar Ataxia, or SCA, is one such condition, a rare progressive neurological disorder with no cure. The National Ataxia Foundation's Let's Find a Way campaign aims to raise awareness and bring hope. Joining us now is board-certified neurologist Dr. Theresa Zesiewicz. Welcome to the show, doctor.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for being here. Okay, doctor, please describe for us the day-to-day impact of SCA on patients and their families.
Sure. So SCA is a group of rare neurodegenerative diseases that's progressively debilitating that's due to a problem in the cerebellum, which is the part of the brain that is responsible for coordinating movement. So these patients will have problems with voluntary motor function, they'll have problems with falling, speech, cognitive issues, coordination of their arms and legs, and eventually it is progressive, so they're looking towards being in a wheelchair, having a decreased quality of life, and also having a decreased lifespan of about 10 to 20 years after diagnosis.
Okay, and can you explain the urgent need for treatment options for rare diseases, including SCA?
Yes, it's surprising that 1 in 10 people in the United States suffers from a rare disease, which is more than, AIDS and cancer. And 95% of all these cases do not have a cure or a treatment. And there's a significant mental and physical burden as well as a psychosocial burden on these terrible rare diseases. And also they're many times are genetic. So it's not just the patient that suffers, it's also the people around the patient, generations after the patients that are looking towards perhaps suffering from these diseases as well. So it's a terrible unmet need for patients and their families.
Sure, absolutely. And what is the importance of spreading SCA awareness to accelerate that research effort?
Well, we need awareness so that we can accelerate research. We can have more funding, and with more funding, more incentive, hopefully we can get more potential cures for these diseases. There are almost 50 types of spinocerebellar ataxia that each one needs probably a separate treatment and cure. So we do need more awareness for this community.
I couldn't agree more. And doctor, please tell us more about NAF's new campaign, Raising Awareness of SCA.
Right. So the National Ataxia Foundation, which is a great research organization and a patient-centered organization, grassroots organization, is focused on raising awareness for SCA as a rare disease that has no treatment option. So extremely important to shed light on the ataxia community and the strength it takes to deal with the psychosocial and mental burden of this disease.
Oh, absolutely. And finally, please tell us a little more about the NAF's petition encouraging the FDA to approve rare disease treatment. So important.
Yes, very important. The NAF has a petition online. Viewers can find it at ataxia, ataxia.org/let's find a way to sign and potentially share the National Ataxia Foundation's petition to urge the United States Food and Drug Administration to consider treatment options for rare diseases with unmet needs, such as the SCAs.
Okay, and thank you so much for all of this. Where can we go for more info, doctor?
Yes, important to go to ataxia, ataxia, ataxia.org/let's find a way. And they can also find more information by going to the National Ataxia Foundation.
Wonderful. Thank you for joining me today, Dr. Zesiewicz. Great to see you. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you.